Hi, my name is Zach Warren, and I work here at the brand new Phillips Bradley Chevrolet Hyundai RV, and I'm here with Corey, who just bought a 2017 Malibu from us. How was your experience here, Corey?
Great, man, great. It was awesome.
Did we give you a good deal?
Awesome deal.
And how did you hear about us over here?
Well, you told me you worked here, so I came here.
I've known you for how long?
Since 5th grade.
That's about 20 years.
20 years.
And given the chance and opportunity, would you buy a car from us again?
Absolutely.
Would you send your friends and family in the same?
Sure would.
Well, guys, I'm Zach Warren again at Phillips Bradley Chevrolet Hyundai and RV, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in here to get a great deal just like Corey. We'll be seeing you.